You are welcome, friends. I am Parinder Sethi, your scientific hand analyst for your abundance and happiness. May Almighty remove all obstacles from your life and keep you happy. This video is in English language. There is amazing power in scientific hand analysis. If you follow it, then that can turn your rest of your life into a bliss to enjoy. In this video, you will find in-depth, complete hand analysis of a female hand, age 45. This analysis covers all the aspects of hands. About your shape of hand or palm, your skin quality that includes color, hair and texture, the flexibility of hands, the fingers' lengths, your thumbs structures, your fingernails, about mounts or mounts, some people say mounts. We will discuss about mounts, your lines on the palms, be it major or minor lines, and your dermatoglyphics, means fingerprints and palmar ridges, and lastly about your gift markers. I will discuss all about these aspects in this analysis. The first looks said this hand is belong to a fire element. Yes, there are 4 elements that can be air hand or water or fire or earth. So this hand belongs to fire elements. How we can recognize this fire hand? So its fingers length or this, yes, the length of fingers shorter than the palm itself. The fire hand is a rectangular palm with fingers shorter than the palm. Yes, the fingers may seem to be a trifle wider at their tips. The shape implies an extrovert nature. For these folks are bright and intelligent and have natural leadership talents, always able to make changes when others fail. These people tend to excel at solving problems, while others are still wondering what to do or not to do. So they are very good and solve problems quickly. It doesn't always follow that what they do is right or wrong, but they do. Yes, because the fire mentalities have to be occupied with something to keep them busy and alert. They are more active than others. We can sum up the possessor of this fire hand is versatile, warm and full of enthusiasm, exciting, usually creative, always active, constantly taken up novel ideas, but changeable and energetic, dislikes detail. Long fingers person want to go in detail, minute details, but they take actions. Yes, the fault of this type is that the person sometimes become too impatient. All 5 types are impetuous, which is to say that they are capable of showing of themselves immediately and fully into any situation that interests them. They resemble to the sun type, which hallmark is brilliancy. What they need is learning to self-control. Yes. Now we come to the texture of the palm. I show you texture of the palm. Texture is fine. Yes. Texture. You see this texture. And the palm is pink. This is perhaps the first and essential part of analysis, because the quality appears of the skin surface denotes major basic characteristics of a person. Palm skin quality denotes a person's overall receptivity. So in fact, the skin texture is the starting point of hand analysis. The person with the skin is acutely sensitive to moods, temperature, pain, atmosphere and touch, and physically to food stuffs and to refine tastes, and much of the time is aristocrat. Yes, this can be called a silky skin, because this skin is smooth and thin and finest like silk. Naturally, they avoid conflict and prepare gentle, harmonious situations. Now we come to the flexibility of the hands. The formula is very simple. Flexible thumb, flexible mind. Stiff thumb, stiff mind. In my experience, flexible thumbs people earn more than stiff thumb people. In this hand, thumb is flexible. The suppleness in thumb denotes tact and flexibility in thinking. Creativity is their hallmark and can be seen in just what they do. Their fingers are usually smooth fingers, shows their socially gifted nature. These are the persons who like company. They enjoy company. They tackle problems with logic. They are best suited for media or communication field. There is a flair of for language, oratory, powerful use of language, and understanding of modern technology such as computers and the internet and digital marketing. This adaptability to the circumstances is worth seeing in this person. This shows a flexible mind indeed. Yes, you are. I'm referring to possessor of this palm. You are versatile in highest degree. You are directed by the brilliant mind and its support. You have a best headline. Yeah, you are sympathetic, generous. You make money more and easily than on a stiff type of man. You are emotional, easily moved by a pitiful story. Yes, your mind works fast. This versatility will give you the highest degree of success. One shortcoming you can say of this type is that you can easily lead to be extravagant. Someone who has a stiff thumb, who earns less, and can easily take advantage of your generosity. Yes, your flexible thumb shows you this flexible thumb. Yes, this shows you are influenced and flexible, and in the heat of the moment you will not stop and can push yourself to have a love experience outside the marriage institute to please yourself and your lover also, without getting concerned whether the guy is supportive or not, would reciprocate properly to you or not. Too much of everything is not good. Too much flexibility is not good. You should be fairly selfish by setting your limits. Yes, now we come up to the length of the fingers. Yes. Now we discuss about the finger's length. In this picture, you will notice that the index finger is a bit longer than the ring finger. Whether male or female, this should not be longer than a ring finger. Longer index finger, it gives you power, it gives you money, it gives you respect, and makes you a leader in whatever field you work, but shows living with some hidden sorrow. Adjustment is good, but my saying is that never compromise your essentials. Yes, this is the thing. It gives you self-respect, but it is I relate it with some kind of sacrifice in relationship. Yes. So another thing is I want to talk about you is about fingernails. Yes. Well, now I will talk about nails. Nails on your finger show quality of a person, just as does the skin. The texture of your skin is fine, so you would indulge in fine work and fine job. Your friend should be like you, graceful. There are many types of nails. Nails are the windows through which we peep in to know your health conditions and general mentality. You have broad nails that denote you are frank, open-minded, and are honest in your services or work, and you expect so from other people. These suggest, however, your general health is good. You are alert, but you tax too much your brain. These also tell you that much of the time you can justify yourself, and in doing so you can adopt a very critical, argumentative behavior. Sometimes you would like to argue than to eat by asking many questions. Don't argue with less intelligent people. It will save your time and energy. This is an established fact that healthy and happy people naturally have a lunula called hormone on their pink nails. You can call this a lunula hormone on their pink nails. You don't have, yes, white moon, half moon on your nails. You are neither bold nor fearless type. You came to glue people, to mingle people, I must say, in humanitarian ways. Sometimes you don't fight for your right. The texture of your skin is also fine. Nails clearly reflect the disorder occurred in our nervous system, to which could affect our brain, our heart, our thinking in a wrong way, badly. If our health recovers and mentally improves, we become positive, then these polluted nails starts taking normal shape again in pink color, in good shape and texture, with half moon appearing there. This thing will surely happen with you. Yes. So find time to get massage your body and going for morning walk and enjoy. This is the side view of your little finger. We call little finger messenger of love. Here we see about your emotional life, what is the condition. Okay. The earlier relationship is round, going downwards. So that I wrote you or told you that reconciliation is sometimes very difficult. Okay. So here your next love line that you started loving someone very strongly has fork at the start. It means the person to whom you like is living away and not easily available to you, and you are trying your best to bring him in your life fully. And line suggests that you will be able to do so, and your endeavors must stamp success in that film, but it will take time. Okay. Mounts on your palms. Yes. Physiologically, these mounts are the pads or balls of flesh, like this we call it mount of Jupiter, this mount of Saturn, this mount of Sun, or this mount of Mercury, and all this mount of Mars positive, this is Mars negative, this is Mars of Venus, and this is Mars of Moon. Yes, this is the thing. It might be a high or low, as the case may be. In order to be able to interpret the lines and these effects on us, it is necessary to have an understanding of the mounts on the palms. In your hands, I noticed that your Venus, your Sun, your Moon, your Mercury are well developed. Jupiter stands for desire to rule. You must know. Domination, ambition, and power. And Sun stands for brilliancy, success, love, art, fame, talent. The Mount of Mercury stands for communication, commerce, medicine, science, shrewdness, and oratory. Communication. So Mount of Moon stands for imagination, Intuition, tangibility, travel, Mount of Venus stands for love, sensuality, passion, sympathy, zeal for living a good life, and love of beauty. You are bestowed with these qualities, of course. But long index finger, these are some not good signs. What is this long index finger of black spots under the middle finger? This is the middle finger that I want to tell you. This black spot here. And this is not considered good. And some attack line, this comes, and this, yes, going. So these three things compelling you to live a compromised emotional life. Your emotional life may not be a smooth sail for you, and personal relations will have to be worked at. There are even lawsuits predicted, yes. So you may complain to God that you are doing your best and yes, justice is not done to you, justice is not given to you, but don't complain and claim for the power instead. Doing some remedies relating to the planet, yes, and by being compatible for the power. In my opinion, you get good results of your endeavors. You should not eat seafood. If you eat, so till your particular desire is fulfilled, yes, meditate, wear pearl around your right little fingers, yes, around this, and this is right hand, no. So you should wear this pearl around your right little finger molded in silver on any bright Monday, and diamond on your ring finger, diamond here, diamond, and your pearl on your diamond on your middle finger on any bright Saturday. In white gold. On, yes, your lucky colors are all shades of blue, ultramarine shades, and also brown, yellow, or orange. There should be gold on your body in any way. Yes. Now we will discuss about your lines on the palm, major and minor. Yes, the basic three lines are okay on your palms, on your palm, both palms. This is line, this heart line. And this is head, and this one. So the heart, head line, and lifeline. This called life. This is lifeline. So, as a bird's eye view, it is okay that you have good. The basic three lines are okay on your palm. This called heart line, and this called head line, and this called a lifeline. Yes, the best is your headline. Yes, whatever you do, you need support to be successful in life, and support comes from your headline, support comes from your mind. Yes, the best is your headline on your palm. Your hallmark or specialty is you have Puri Punya Rekha. Yeah, this is called Puri Punya Rekha. In left hand, right hand, in both. You understand? This is a God gift to you. You have other gift markers too on your palms. I will explain you later as. So eventually, no untoward will happen to you. The worst thing that can happen to you is that you would have to compromise, whether outside the court or inside the court, but finally you would walk with head on. Yes, your heart line is not properly good in the sense that it has bubbles here. Bubbles. And I call it bubbles are troubles. This line, heart line, reveal about your emotional life, a small line that is drooping downside. You understand? I am talking about this line, this heart line. Yes, yeah, going downside and trying to mix with the headline suggests indecisiveness of your mentality in emotional matters. Yes, this is called board of directors line. You couldn't decide for yourself in the last many years. Say about last 7-10 years and living in the dirty pain. Dirty pain is the mentality of indecisiveness. If you ever felt mental turmoil in the past or may feel in the future, it would be due to your indecisiveness of your mentality. Living in dilemma is living in dirty pain. You may ask if there is a good pain. Yes, answer is yes, there is good pain also. Learn to take decision, implement it, and notice how you feel. Good. It will save your time, money, and energy to enjoy the rest of your life by investing these on other important things. Your time, money, and energy. Learn to take decision and end the dilemma. You are the sort of person like you first. You serve people. My suggestion is you must focus on me first. At the same time, your power gave away your time, money, and energy to please others. You didn't come in this world to please others all the time. You came to give and take love. Look at this branch emerging from the middle of the line. I am talking about you. I don't want to denigrate the line actually on your this line. This line. This is your lifeline. It is emerging from lifeline and cut by an attack line. So in palmistry, this is considered a diverse. Yes, it shows separation from married partner. Hence, don't know legal or other ways. It shows you discarded him from your life, and chances of reconciliation seems almost nil. It reveals your soul psychology. You already given him divorce from your mind, from your inside. The union line or marriage line also come from this. You did your best to maintain emotional coordination in your family, but of no avail. Now the guy to whom you feel very strongly, yes, I show another picture of your palm where you can notice that you started liking someone very strongly, and what is the position of that. So let us change the picture. Besides this, you have Apollo line in your hands. Do you know Apollo line? This is the finger of Apollo, okay? And this fate line start from downside, and it gives we take from we earn with hard labor, and this poor Punya Rekha we card this. In both hands you have, and you understand. This is considered blessings of God, a God gift indeed. What this Apollo line? This is very good, and even a small part of it can do wonders and provide you help from God in time of need. Yes, God will provide you protection in time of need. This denotes your personal brilliancy and capabilities also. It has its symbolism, almost all the same significance of the sun itself as to the earth. Accordingly, you are essential for society. The sun planet is for our universe. Even whatever you do, I think there will be no feeling of happiness or real enjoyment, or no feeling of fascination, thrill, or being in the limelight without this line. You can be in limelight someday. This line brings out the talent in a person for the public to see. Otherwise, most talented persons would have died in darkness without having enjoying the fruits of recognition. His foods are very sweet and tasty. Clearly, you have some charm in you than others. You have more magnetism to attract people and therefore are able to influence them. This bright behavior usually becomes your fortune. Keep it up with your talent and thank God all the time what you have. A good Apollo line indicates undoubtedly that you are capable of making money. And reputation, enjoy reputation more easily comparing to others. You can be able to devise the means to overcome threatening losses. Yes, keep it up. The ultimate result will be in your favor. As far as worldly success is concerned, you will be a rich person, you have property in your name, and only you can solve your own emotional problems. Yes. His position denotes that the middle age will not signal the end of your career, of your dreams, but will be the beginning of a bigger career for you. Because this time is struggling your time. Once you decided or solve your emotional problem, that this line at this place shows drivenness in the person. Outlook and behavior and will remain there. The attitude till the line lasts there. I see financial sufficiency in old age for you and with reputation. And sun lines denote intellectual and artistic aptitudes of the person. The line is making you lucky, making you popular, making you charming, making you attractive. Yes, the person who has this will definitely have some capability in her. Because I have seen in many efficient and powerful and successful people, palm. Yes, sun line denotes personal brilliancy and capabilities. I link it to reputation, fame, and plenty of money and good health. I also link it with the financial prosperity and great sense of satisfaction in general. Okay, now I will discuss about the fingerprints. The area is called dermatoglyphics. Okay. Now I will talk about fingerprints. Yes, your fingerprints reveal about your life purpose and life lesson. Life purpose means what you came in this world to do during your stay in this world, and life lesson means where you should be fully aware of. Yes, your fingerprints reveal all that. And there are 4 basic type of fingerprints. One is arches represent peace. Another is tinted arches represent wisdom, and walls that represents service. And the 4th type of fingerprint is loops that represents love. So there is a little difference between all the 4. You can see yourself in the picture here. So arch has like small hill and has no idea of loop or wall in it. And the tinted arch has small hill of arch plus vertical lines in the center. And third is wall, and wall has 2 triad with circle. And that loop has 1 triad. So I noticed you have all the 10 fingers, you have loops on your fingertips. You know, all the 10 fingertips. It means a person who has 6 or more loops on his or her fingertips is called master of love. But you are master of love, but at the same time on the student path of love. Yes. So you would have to be careful not to please others all the time and serve them, keeping aside your aspirations and your ambition and your interest. So no, you serve, but you will have to you should respect yourself, devote time, money and energy on yourself. Yes, this is the thing. You came in this world to give and take love. Yes, my saying is that no matter whatever you are dealing with, whatever life sends your way, whatever circumstances you find yourself in today, living your life purpose is possible. You came in this world, I am repeating, You came in this world to give and take love primarily. It means caring, you want closeness, you want to belong to someone. But what is not so? Yes. So don't lose the chance to enjoy getting and giving love. Yes, this is the thing, most important thing. Intelligent people have one shortcoming, and that is procrastination. And you are not spared from that. And do you know what love is? If not, then I tell you, having a strong, continuous, close, affectionate attraction for another person that includes having sexual desire is love. This should be from both of you, yes, that you neither had with your married partner and nor with anyone else. This is the pain. Give your heart to someone who you find is like mentioned above. Otherwise, remaining self-isolated is better option as you are living now. So learn to take decision and end the dilemma. This is the very big lesson for you. Yes. Here is the summary of your analysis. So you can notice you have love loops on your all the 10 fingers. Yes, longer index finger, it gives power, money, respect, makes you a leader, but shows living with some hidden sorrow. Adjustment is good, but never compromise your essentials. And here you note I'm talking about this bubble on your heartline. This bubble was trouble for the last almost a decade. The pain is that you could not decide for yourself. Small vertical lines here, this is a gift you have. What is this? Small vertical lines are genius lines. Makes you master in communication and in writing. Or verbally, make a person charming, attractive, popular and lovable and dear one. Yes, this is the thing. And there are good things and bad things also. The person who has taken birth on this earth has what they say, good thing and bad things. The best thing is this trident. In circle, I showed you that this trident is best sign to find on my palm. As far as worldly things are concerned, it means you will this small horizontal lines is some kind of frustration. You can decide for yourself. Yes. And this black mole had reduced. This is your old picture, but in new picture you have reduced the darkness of this black. So this reduces emotional sensual pressure to enjoy in bed and gives fear about future. Yes, change attitude and you can get and you can enjoy it. So this was the union line, a strong difference of opinion there were, and turning into separation there are chance. Yes, and here is the two vertical lines here. So you came in this world to care and love, two beautiful children and all the things. Oh, this wonderful thing. This square. Are you noticing? This is a sign of protection, and good windows show you will be protected whether it be court or road or reputation or money. You don't need to be so good to love, respect and obey your partner. Yes, earlier you did this. And this one, earlier these were cup of tears. When you live fine alone, this can be a thing in your life. So I'm saying you never feel alone. God is with you. And this is generally good health and good longevity with good vitality. As you told, you will be on your 2 feet, enjoy your good health, and you will be relying on your own income. And this long travel lines and foreign settlement,
Okay, and these are negative lines. That compel you to live a compromised life. These persons create obstacles for you. Yes. So eventually you will find the solution to your own problem, because I have no longer, you have best type of line of head. This we call it DL 9000. You problem solver, and here again this is your family line, okay, and you came in this world of love and care to beautiful children. This is the thing. Now I try to I have tried to summarize your hand reading. So here is now the time to concluding this analysis. So I see a very happy and good prosperous life in future. Yes, you love good food. Yes, you like good food. You will like live a long, healthy, luxury life. You will be able to fulfill your responsibilities too. Yes, continue listening good music. Yes, and you can dance too in the hope of good future. Yes, being hopeful is always good. So thank you very much. I am Parinder Sethi, your analyst and friend, for your abundance and happiness. Thank you very much for watching this video.
मैं हूं आपका हितैषी वैज्ञानिक विश्लेषक परिंदर सेठी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दें और सब्सक्राइब कर दें प्लीज़। थैंक यू। Enjoy. My contact number is 9829107577. Thank you very much.